Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, children. Today we are going to see writing time in Sanskrit. In Sanskrit we call it as Samaya Lekhanam. Samaya Lekhanam. I will write here Samaya Lekhanam. See here, children. Samaya Lekhanam. This is very much useful for classes 6 to 10. Classes 6 to 10. See here, children. Now we say, by seeing this clock, we can easily say it in English. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. It's very easy because we are studying from the beginning. But in Sanskrit, in board exam, they are giving 2 marks for this Samaya Lekhanam. For this Samaya Lekhanam, the first topic is very easy, very simple. See here, the first one, 1 o'clock. For that, in Sanskrit, we have to say Ekavadanam. See here, I will underline the word Ekavadanam. Then for 2 o'clock, Dvivadanam. You have to repeat after me. I will give 2-second gap. Ekavadanam, 1 o'clock. Dvivadanam, Dvivadanam, 2 o'clock. Dvivadanam. Then for 3 o'clock, Trivadanam. Say Trivadanam, 3 o'clock. Then fourth one, Chaturvadanam. Chaturvadanam means 4 o'clock. So see here, Ekavadanam, Dvivadanam, Trivadanam, Chaturvadanam. When I teach you this, you have to write it in your classwork or in your rough note. Then see here, Panchavadanam. Panchavadanam means 5 o'clock. Then for 6 o'clock, Shadvadanam. Shadvadanam. Then for 7 o'clock, Saptavadanam. Say Saptavadanam. Then for 8 o'clock, Ashtavadanam. For 8 o'clock, Ashtavadanam. Then for 9 o'clock, it is Navavadanam. For 9 o'clock, Navavadanam. For 10 o'clock, Dashavadanam. For 10 o'clock, Dashavadanam. Then for 11 o'clock, Ekadashavadanam. For 11 o'clock, Ekadashavadanam. For 12 o'clock, Dvadashavadanam. For 12 o'clock, Dvadashavadanam. First, you have to think. It is very easy. You know 1 to 100 in Sanskrit, right? Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha, Ekadasha, Dvadasha, etc. In the numbers, Sankhya Vachaka Shabdaha, we say in Sanskrit, in the numbers, you take first 12. Ekam to Dvadasha. Ekam means 1, right? Ekam means 1. See here, Ekam 1. From this Ekam, we are taking Eka. Then the Vadanam. Vadanam means time. Vadanam. Vadanam means time. It's a normal word. Normal word. We have to compile with the specific time. Okay. So, Eka Vadanam, Eka Vadanam. Then, Dve. For this Dve, we have another name that is called Dvi. We have another word for this Dve that is called Dvau. From these three, we have to take Dvi. So you take Dvi and add Vadanam. Dvi, Vadanam, Dvivadanam. Dvi, 2. Vadanam, time. 2 o'clock. Dvivadanam. Then the third, what we say, Trini. Trini means 3. See here. Trini means 3. So you take 3. Then the Vadanam. Trivadanam. Trini. From this Trini you take 3. Trivadanam. Then Chaturvadanam. Here, Chaturvadanam. Chaturvadanam. Actually we say Chatvari. Chatvari. Chatvari means 4. Are you able to see this? Chatvari. Chatvari means 4. From that Chatvari, we have to take Chatur. Chatur is the root form of the word Chatvari. Moola Shabdaha we say in Sanskrit. So, Chatur, then you have to add this Vadanam, Chaturvadanam. Just think, children, Ekavadanam, Dvivadanam, Trivadanam, Chaturvadanam. These 4 only confuses you a lot. From 5, it is very easy. What we say for 5? Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha, Ekadasha, Dvadasha. You just compile these 2. Pancha Vadanam, Pancha Vadanam. Shad Vadanam, Shad Vadanam. Sapta Vadanam, Sapta Vadanam. Ashta Vadanam, Ashta Vadanam. Nava Vadanam, Nava Vadanam. Dasha Vadanam, Dasha Vadanam. Ekadasha Vadanam, Ekadasha Vadanam. Dvadasha Vadanam, Dvadasha Vadanam. See here. The first 4 is little complicated. You have to think and write. But from this Pancha to Dvadasha, it is very easy. So children, today I taught you just the Vadanam for 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Tomorrow I will teach you how to write 130 in Sanskrit, 245 in Sanskrit, 315 in Sanskrit. I will teach you that. Okay children? Thank you. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.